This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Kelly Hustedi. Stop the car, this is not a 55+ community, all ages welcome. If you want the convenience of city living and maintenance-free amenities of condominium life, don't miss this townhouse in the highly desirable Cinnamon Lakes neighborhood. This lovingly maintained 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome feels more like a single-family home. Included in the 1,495 square feet is a bonus room on the first floor that could be easily converted to a third bedroom, home office, den or playroom. There is a half bath just across the hall. The oversized master bedroom features 2 closets and ensuite bathroom. There is an additional bedroom with ensuite upstairs as well. Also included is a 1-car attached garage with laundry area. This home has been maintained by the same owner for over 20+ years. Enjoy your morning coffee or relax after work on your private 8x24 screened porch. You won't find a better location in the heart of St. Pete. Just a short drive to shopping, Publix, Target, TJ Maxx, PetSmart, Five Below, CVS and Home Goods, restaurants and parks. Only minutes away from I-275, the Gandy Bridge and Howard Frankland, downtown St. Pete, and downtown Tampa. The property can be purchased fully furnished or completely empty. Fees include flood insurance, water, sewer, trash, cable, exterior ground maintenance/landscaping, exterior building maintenance, roof, painting, etc.